Is your Infiniti key fob not working? First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. Infiniti fobs typically use a CR2032 coin cell battery, costing around $5 to $10. Pry open the fob with a small screwdriver and replace the battery. If that doesn't work, try resyncing the fob. Insert the key into the ignition, cycle the power, off/on, and press the lock button multiple times. This repairs the fob with the vehicle's body control module, BCM. This solves most software glitches, especially if it's intermittent locking, unlocking, or no response. Remember, extreme temperatures can drain the battery faster, so be mindful of that. New models have improved batteries that can last up to 5 years. If battery replacement and resyncing fail, the issue might be with the receiver or immobilizer. The immobilizer prevents unauthorized starts by requiring a unique transponder code. Problems arise from water damage, electrical faults, or module aging. These issues often need professional diagnosis involving scanning for error codes like P1610. Replacing the immobilizer module can cost $200 to $500. Also, consider over-the-air OTA firmware updates offered by dealers for some models. Looking ahead, Infiniti is moving toward digital keys and smartphone apps for vehicle access. Future models may feature biometric key fobs and energy harvesting tech, potentially eliminating batteries altogether. Regular firmware updates, proactively checking the battery, and understanding the move to digital systems are key to maintaining your Infiniti key fob.